This place is already far. Like, I'm tired like this. I am very, very tired. No matter how beautiful this house is, it's sure for me, I'm not going to rent it. As in,
you gonna explain tire, but no evidence.
hey, hi, my name is Annette. Welcome to my channel. So in this video, I am looking for a shared apartment, and I really love where I stay presently, but I have to move out because the rent was increased, and I mean by over 100%.
Oh my God!
I'm going to be showing you all the houses I am going to be viewing, and trust me, getting a place in London is an actual job, you know, because it's either you are getting somewhere that doesn't really meet, you know, your specification. How do I mean? Okay, for instance, you're looking at the price point, you're looking at closeness to like town centers, closeness to, you know, where you can buy major things, closeness to your place of work, closeness to your place of worship, and things like that. So like, it is just a lot. So the houses I'm going to be showing you in this video are between the price range of 600 to 750. If you've not subscribed to my channel, please do well to subscribe, because I bring you lifestyle content, like my going around London. So if you're interested in content like that, do well to subscribe. So stay tuned. The storage. Oh God. But the house is a modern house, so yeah, not bad. But and this place is really nice, you know. Oh, is that for you?
Sorry, but I do sometimes.
Oh, okay. It's really neat, you know. It's neat.
Yeah, thank you very much.
2 moments later.
That room is too small. It's too freaking small, and I don't even like the neighborhood. It's too quiet for my liking. So we moved. So I won't be able to view the other house again because I have some other things to do. But like, so I hope that if I go to view the other place tomorrow, that I'm going to like it. And I also have a kind of feeling about that place as well, because it doesn't have enough storage and all that. But yeah, just stay tuned. We are going to view the second house together as well. So yeah, guys, see how quiet the neighborhood is. And I've been waiting for a bus since forever. So just imagine. The living room.
Yeah, I am painting.
Then the kitchen.
Come, let me show you.
That's it.
You have this here.
Oh, okay.
This is small. Small.
This
one. This is the room.
Oh,
The-
this is the one that
Washing.
for washing.
This is big. This is big. This is here.
Oh, okay, okay,
Yeah.
okay. That's fine.
So, this is the kitchen.
Okay.
We have another one. This the oven is here. You can place inside for hot meal.
Oh, okay, okay.
And you can use this for eating.
Mm. Okay.
No problem.
That's fine. That's fine. That's fine.
You can
Yeah, it's easy. It's just straight down.
118.
2 moments later.
So, oh God, I don't like that space. I don't like anything about it. Honestly, like the kitchen is small. The rooms are, I don't even want to talk about it. So it's cancelled. The area is very chill. I still prefer this area compared to where I went to yesterday. However, this place is actually very, very far. Like, It's very far. I think it's about the same time to get to the bus stop as the house I went to yesterday. But this one is like it's like I'm working for 600 years. I have been working since. I beg you. So imagine if you go shopping and I have to, because I'm not going to go shopping and start taking Uber for waiting. So so that's also a factor I'm considering. And I honestly thought this place was going to be equal. I don't know. I don't understand though. I was thinking in my head that this place was going to be easy for me, but obviously when people take pictures of their space, you will think that it's really, really good until you get there. But that's all right. Keep it moving on to the next one. Because tell me why this place is already far. Like, I'm tired like this. I am very, very tired. No matter how beautiful this house is, it's sure for me I'm not going to rent it. As in, this place is just too far. I'm still on my way there. Okay. The room is very nice. But getting here is far. I came from.
So it depends on which route you're taking.
Oh, we see.
So is that you come from living room?
Oh.
Living room, but it's not a living room. I'm supposed to do
So this area is really, really chill. But my problem again is the distance from major things, you know, because the house isn't bad though, actually. It's not bad, but I mean, it's in the right places for me. I just feel really bad. I'm just tired, honestly. I'm just tired. But the Lord is on the throne, and yeah, I hope I'm able to get more viewings. I've sent messages to people on Spare Room and what's it called, Gumtree. So I wish I can get as many viewings as possible today so that I can just get it done with. But it is what
single people living here. So this is obviously shared entrance. Hello.
hello.
You okay? Good. Why?
Why?
Speak the landlord, no?
Yeah, my colleague did speak to the landlord. 1 second. Oh, hi, Ayaz. I'm at number 15 Cameron Road with Annette, but there's a gentleman, I think he's one of the tenants in the middle floor. He's saying he's already spoken to the landlord and both the top rooms are gone. I said we only spoke to the landlord today. Okay. Yeah. Okay, alright then. Yeah. Yeah.
Oh my god.
Two good sized double bedrooms.
Oh my god, this would have been like really great.
Yeah. There's two, that's what I was saying to you, there's 2 rooms you can look at.
Oh.
There are 2. But look, have a look, because we haven't been told anything. Yeah.
Oh my god. This would have been really nice, you know.
It is. So that's why I was saying you only share with one other room. If at any time there was a problem with the kitchen, you can also use...
2 moments later.
The rooms are big, which is good because I'm looking for a double bed. You know, the rooms are big. They are still renovating the house anyways because it's not like sparkling, but I'm not gonna lie, in terms of space is what I want. Also, it's not far from like African store, it's not far from Lidl, it's not far from the town center, which are like major things that I'm considering. So if they reach out to me, fine, because some of these people, they will tell you to go and bring a ham and a leg and all that, because this is an agency house, you know. It's not like I'm chatting with a private landlord or anything like that. So yeah, this is house 4. Wish me luck.